The Real Madrid man. Back to his feet.
Oh, it's evident and clear what he wants the referee to take a look for in that second run coming out of the midfield. Romeo will have his freedom a little bit more tilted to the left-hand side.
There has been one-way traffic so far. This is the 10 o'clock going. McConnell teasing me, lurching behind Cecil. Salas, Cecil, with Almiron. It was a ball buckets, United, and Newcastle. And then just casting low fear. He's sick. He's sweet. He's tempting. So happy with this France and all over the top. So they look too far ahead of Barkley, who makes his one hand in thanks to his teammates.
Well, the challenge of playing flat during the back is you're really composed about the space and the ideas and responsibility. But it's when those underlying runs, the secondary runs popping through the midfield, that's what's going to test this back line. Specific is to try to keep a little bit further outside of the penalty area. So the challenge now is to get better pressure on the player that's serving the ball and looking for those fine little margins, trying to split the center backs with secondary runs.
Well, how about this for a stat? 115 passes completed so far for France.
So far in the 2026 World Cup, as Galarza tips himself in centrally. It's a little bit of a slight, nothing more, nothing less, but an important set piece opportunity, something that France has to pay attention to. And we're going to play, they're not going to run chances, they're not going to be as playable at times as they want. But they certainly have some big bodies. I'll set these up on these corners that will really like fun to create goal scoring opportunities.
They know how to stop it, don't they? sense of possession against when they are shot. And he's now to serve and still down the through after penalties. Clear away, and here's the Lucy now. There's plenty of space to roll into. A touch late, but he's back to his feet. And clearly say. Here's Lucadine. Saliba. Now watching on, Wilson Wenger, serving as FIFA's Chief of Global Football Development since 2019. Randall Hill, what a story he has having to sell his old kit from his time in Paraguay's youth setup to fund care for his child who was born prematurely, and has been a real hero at times for Paraguay this tournament. They have an excellent support in this stadium. Taken quickly, Bellic. They have been so confined so far. There is Rondo in him.
18 minutes in, first time we've seen Paraguay straight together, 4 or 5 passes. And it'll be amazing to early in the second pressure to see still friends at home because they're turning over, looking to recover, highlight the field. The really is always useful to the emphasis on trying to make the ball is really possible to minimize the distance between themselves and the believe back in the day, the first challenge was never worthy of a yellow card. But the game has changed, and the modern refereeing is taking a different approach. And in games as massive with the magnitude of these two battling for a place in Foxborough on July 9th, you have to understand that there is a gray area that you can operate in, and some referees are going to allow the game to find its own rhythm. Chef has made an early statement less than 20 minutes in.
A slight move of the ball there for Diallo Long. Ball long looking for Diego Gomez.
Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! 1, 2, 3!
More electrolytes than the leading sports drink. And Powerade is the official sports drink of FIFA World Cup. Power your legacy with Powerade.
They say home is where the heart is, and I think that's true. It's my party, you're invited, and all your friends too. Everyone's invited, and I'll see you soon. You don't have to knock, you can come right in. Welcome to my house. Welcome to my house.
After you work out, you can feel worn out. Reach for core power and rise to a whole new level of recovery. Quality protein to build.
Way that they started tactically, and instead you're forced to swap a center back and forced to swap a striker maybe earlier than expected. So keep an eye on the chess match and the tactical acumen of the manager and how important his next set of substitutions are going to be for Paraguay.
Well, they have such depth of talent, don't they, France? And that's evident considering the man who just saw the ball fist past him, Ousmane Dembele. Wasn't really talked about for the first couple of games, was he, before that hat-trick? Cementing, of course, his place in the standings of this World Cup in the battle for the Golden Boots, which is being led by Messi, just one ahead of Kylian Mbappe. Can Desiree do here? So sick on his feet, keeps skipping, goes down. Well, he's signalled. The referee says play on. He wants to get back to his feet quickly here because the ball's at the boots of Michael Elise. We know what he can do. Dembele tries to feed it, but the door was quickly closed by Paraguay. And that's really where they've been elite, this back line. Shuts almost everything down. They stop this. It is the bench and the fans. And have the appeals been heard down in Dallas?
Oh, it's very clear and very evident. You don't need too many looks at it to see where the contact is. And for Diego Gomez, as he leaves out that left leg, he's not getting a touch on the ball. And as Desiree Doué walks the high line and the high wire, now it seems very clear and evident what the referee is going to decide.
After local review, number 8 of defender, Trick, attacker player inside the penalty area.